What is going on, Technoid Nation? It's your boy, the SMT. I'm filling in for Technoid in today's episode here on the channel. He's taking a vacation. He ain't really cut out for this, but I am. I'm doing double duty. I'm making content for Technoid while he's on break, but that's okay. That's my brother. I don't mind. I got his back on this one. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to talk about Samsung. I want to take a look into the crystal ball of 2021 and tell you how I think it's going to play out. I don't think Samsung is going to give you what you want this year. In fact, it may be time to bail on Samsung. All that in today's video, and all that starts now. With the Samsung launch event coming up for the Samsung Galaxy series, the S series, we've got the S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. I'm not sure if a lot of you are going to be happy to hear this, but I don't think we're going to get what we want. I'm also going to throw in that there's no Galaxy Note series this year, which really sucks because that is probably Samsung's best phone. The other piece of this is Samsung is really focusing on foldables and rollables and all these other incredible technologies. The problem is, I'm not sure that's exactly what people want just yet. Samsung is trying to create some new lanes. They want to create devices that are new to the market, getting ahead of the curve and innovating. The problem is that may or may not be what you're looking for, and it may or may not be as effective as you need it to be. The problem is with early adopters is they get the first version of products and they're usually not that great. So when you look at these new foldables and rollables and all these other things that are going to be coming out here in the next several months, I'm not sure it's going to be up to par. By all means, if you want a Galaxy device, go ahead and get it. The problem is it may not meet your expectations. So here is my take for 2021. Samsung is going to make a really good phone in the S series. You're going to get the S21 if you want the smaller version of the phone. You can get the Plus version if you want something larger with a larger battery. You can get the Ultra if you want to spend $1,500 on a regular candy bar smartphone. Now those phones may meet your needs, but what if you want the Galaxy Note? You can't get it. It's not happening. They basically already declared that they're discontinuing the phone. So what are your options? You got some mid-rangers, you got the A series, you got all these other devices. I'm telling you guys, it may be time to bail on Samsung. Unless you plan on spending $1,500 on whatever Samsung is going to be doing with foldables and all these other things and whatever the next Z Flip might be, those ones are too expensive for most people, and most people can't even really justify buying them since they're not really applicable to what they do. Most people typically just want a phone to launch their apps, to effectively be a productivity tool. I just don't know if people are ready for foldables. And even the flip phones have a questionable form factor that don't really suit the needs of most people. Just think about it critically. Samsung is trying to move in a different direction that most people are currently in. The problem with that is if people aren't ready to see Samsung's vision, they're basically going to be trying to sell stuff that people don't want. And if Samsung is going to be stuck in that mode, their sales are going to be stifled. They're not going to do very well this year. So they'll continue to offer the standard-based phones, but they're really going to push the other stuff because they're trying to be innovative and, again, create that new lane that is going to help them generate revenue beyond what they've been seeing in the recent past. I want to give a big shout out to Samsung. I think they deserve our respect. I think we could appreciate them being innovative. I just don't think that getting rid of the Note series and then trying to move the S Pen possibly to some other devices, I don't know if that's what people really wanted. People love the Note series. It is probably the best phone on the Android side when it comes to productivity, features, and capabilities. I have no idea why they got rid of the Note. In my opinion, they should have kept the Note. They should not have got rid of it at all. They should not have de-emphasized it. If anything, they should have pushed it harder so people could buy the more premium option. And I don't think people are ready for wearables, rollables, whatever the heck they're trying to push now. It's just not the time for it. Let me know what you have to say on this. Maybe you agree, maybe you disagree. If I ruffled your feathers, let me know. I didn't mean, to cause disruptions and disequilibrium, but all I'm saying is I don't think Samsung is going to give you what you want. The S series devices are probably going to be cool. I'm expecting them to be nice phones, but I just don't know if there's anything else that's going to really shake up anything for Samsung moving forward in 2021. I actually think it's going to be a disappointing year for them. I'm more excited about what the other device manufacturer is going to bring to the table. I'm excited to see a Moto flagship. I'm excited to see a Google Pixel flagship. We'll see what happens. 2021, I don't think it's going to be a good year for the Galaxy devices. I don't think it's going to be good for Samsung. Go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Sound off. Tell me if you thought my take was horrible. Tell me if you agree or disagree with my predictions. Let me know specifically how you think things are going to play out. Go ahead and comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And of course, if I was terrible, tell Technoid so he never brings me on here again. That's it for this one. Hopefully this is the last time you have to see anything from me or hear anything from me until Technoid gets back. Hey, Technoid, enjoy your vacation, brother. We'll see you soon.